Hey guys, in this video, we're going to show you how to export source code files from lovable.dev. If you're working on projects in Lovable, you can easily export your source code files for backup, sharing, or version control. Exporting your code allows you to continue development on your local machine, collaborate with others, or save a copy in GitHub for future use. This process is simple and ensures that your work is safely stored outside the Lovable platform. First, open the Lovable website. Then, click on All Projects from the left side menu to see all your saved projects. Now, select any project that you want to export. Once the project opens, tap on the code icon at the top to view the full source code. Here, you can review your code, and then click on the download icon located at the top right corner to save the files directly to your device. After that, go back and click on Preview from the top menu to see how your project looks live. Then, click on the GitHub icon at the top right corner to connect your project with GitHub. Next, tap on Connect GitHub and select the repository where you want to save your project. Turn on the toggle for GitHub organizations if you want the project to be available there as well. Finally, your project is now connected and all your code can be exported or pushed to GitHub for safe storage and easy access anytime. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.